Recently, the question was posed to me, how do you join the Nike affiliate program and make money from it? Now, went to Google and I simply said Nike affiliate program. The reason I'm starting here is because this one had me a little confused. I looked at the results and the first result was Nike.com help affiliate program -EU. Now, that -EU, I could only guess stands for European Union. I see here what is the Nike affiliate program, and for me, program is spelt weird. There's also this little pop-up down here. We think you are in the United States. Update your location, Sweden or the US. Now, I had seen some other videos here on YouTube talking about coming to this page and clicking this Apply Now button. Then they updated, or they had provided the information that this was updated or being updated or updating you, that you could earn up to 11% commission on all valid sales. There was a 30-day cookie period, and the list goes on, and who can become a Nike affiliate partner. This is all great information, but the problem here is I'm in the US, and I click this Apply Now. It takes me over to the Nike UK affiliate program. Again, the UK, United Kingdom program, spelt funny for me. Links down here, website, check down in the left-hand corner, nike.com/GB, which I'm assuming stands for Great Britain. Back to the Google for Nike affiliate program, and I promise this is going to go somewhere, and I'm going to show you where you need to go depending on your location so you can understand how to join the Nike affiliate program. Then at the end of this video, I'm going to show you, more importantly, how to actually set this up with an actual strategy to get traffic to your affiliate links so you can earn commissions. So what you want to do is you want to go down and you want to continue looking at some of these Google results. You have here Nike affiliate program, sign up and earn money on marketing. This takes you to the DCM network. Now the DCM network is specifically for, as you can see here, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, New Zealand, Israel, and South Africa. There are some more details here. And if you are in one of these regions, then you want to click here and you want to join the affiliate program. First by putting in your email address and then clicking join affiliate program. That will then take you over to where you need to join the program. Here you need to put in your company affiliate name, your first name, your last name. Of course, my email is already there, a password. And then here you need to select your country and you need to enter your phone number. And then you need a website and a social media link. What you need to understand at this point is no matter which one of these networks, no matter what country you're in, you are going to need a website presence and or a social media presence to become a Nike affiliate. Go back here to the search results and come down to the next one, which is VigiLink. VigiLink actually takes you over to something called Sworn Commerce. Here you can see the countries that are accepted in here. And if your country is in this list, I know I went really fast, but here they do have United States, United Kingdom. So check out that link and then understand that the Svorn, SOVRN, I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, has an affiliate program for Nike. Again, this is a middleman, just like DCM Network, just like Awin. They are affiliate marketplaces that are operating the affiliate program. That means that you have to sign up to these networks to promote Nike products as an affiliate, and you have to be accepted. So again, here you're going to click to join the affiliate network. Back on the other option, if you are one of those countries, here you can see you can create a account with Google, or you can sign up with your email and your password, or sign up with email and create a password. We'll go ahead and put our email in and sign up with a password and click finish just to get a look at what the next steps are. Here they're going to send you an email where you can verify your account. So that'll be the next step. And it's just going to be just like the other ones. You're going to have a website presence and or a social media presence before you are approved to promote Nike as an affiliate. The next one I found after I went through VigiLink, I looked at some of these other ones and I found from nichepursuits.com. Now, Niche Pursuits is a website that just talks about different niches and how to promote those niches or how to get involved in those niches. Of course, Nike and Nike apparel is going to be something to do with fitness and or fashion, depending on the type of product you're promoting. But Niche Pursuits gave some great information here, and they led me down, or it led me to find that you can sign up to a affiliate marketplace called Flex Offers. Now, Flex Offers, flexoffers.com, has a Nike affiliate program. You can also see this was updated on May 4th, 2023. And then they have some information here about how to sign up and how to join the Nike affiliate program. All good, but the important part here is if you have an account with Flex Offers, you just need to sign in. If you don't, you need to click register as a new user. After you click register as a new user, it will take you here and it will tell you all the things that are going to happen after you complete this step. But what you need to do at this point is you need to come down to the terms and service and read these terms of service, because this impacts you as a publisher. A publisher is a person that creates content and then is going to add their affiliate link. That's going to be you when you create content, either on your website, your YouTube channel, posting pins on Pinterest, on your IG account, Facebook group, whatever you're doing. But the point you need to understand and the thing you need to see is with Flex Offers, they have a payment processing standard payment option. This is how you get paid. You get paid by Flex Offers for any of the offers that you promote, to include the Nike affiliate program. Understand here that they are going to process your payments. Publishers every month on net 60 terms. This means that commissions earned during the month of March from the 1st to the 31st are processed 60 days later on May 31st. This is pretty standard for all affiliate programs, either 30 to 90 days or specifically for a refund period if it's some type of launch or sale. But understand that the payments are going to be processed and that when you use Flex Offers to promote Nike, all payments made to the publisher require the accumulation of a minimal balance called a threshold, meaning you need to earn a set amount of money. Here you can see if you want to get paid by check, the monthly threshold is going to be $25. A local bank transfer, monthly threshold, again, $25, plus a processing fee of $1. Here you can see local bank transfer to the UK, international transfers, again, focus in on these processing fees, wire transfers. Here you have the monthly threshold if you want to get a wire transfer of $1,000, $15 fee, and the list goes on to include PayPal. So make sure you understand these fees if you want to utilize Flex Offers to sign up to promote the Nike offer, the Nike affiliate offers. Now what I want to dive into is on the screen. It is called the top strategy. This is the strategy that I teach, that I show people here on the channel that are interested in promoting products as an affiliate. It doesn't matter what the product is, but we walk through the Nike affiliate program because that one had me a little confused, and I want to walk through all the options that I found so you can sign up for the Nike affiliate program. But you still need a strategy to actually get people to click on your links and actually make money as an affiliate marketer. And that starts with the top strategy. Top stands for traffic. Traffic gets people over to your offer to click on your link, and then people, which drive this entire machine of becoming an affiliate marketer and making money. You're going to add people to an email list, and then you're going to follow up with those people after they join your email list with additional offers. In this case, like if you're promoting Nike, that would be new Nike merchandise or when Nike has a sale. Now the top strategy is just that. It's a strategy overall, a high level view of what you need to do. But if you look at what I teach inside the Affiliating Accelerator, I take traffic, offer, people, or the top strategy, and I show you how those are foundational phases. And then in each one of those, I have broken it down into 3 steps, and traffic being the first one in the very first place, because you are at zero most likely and you want to go to profit, and you don't do that without traffic, which is the foundational phase. And traffic is simply, or as simple as, picking a topic. In this case, if you wanted to promote the Nike affiliate program, the topic again most likely would be fitness and or fashion, specifically some type of influencer. If you're doing social media where you are showing either the gear that you are wearing to do a certain activity, or again, just for fashion and you like the way it looks, fits, feels, and there's some type of sale and you can recommend that to your audience. But it doesn't happen until you start generating traffic inside of the top strategy. And that comes with picking a topic. The best example and the easiest way to think about this is if you want to promote Nike equipment, look at people that are exercising and or are trying on different types of shoes and different types of merchandise, and see how they're doing it and what they're doing, and then mirror that, and then pick that topic, talk about that topic, come back to the Affiliating Accelerator, check that off as your topic, and understand you're going to need to understand you need certain tools, you need to understand how that technology works and the time that this will actually take. And then you are going to have to create a consistent and steady flow of content, which just like on this channel, just like this video, is me talking about affiliate marketing. That is my topic. So I create videos like the ones you're watching here, and then I make offers, and then I take people and I put them on a list. And if you want to see how that's done in greater detail, it's very simple. There's a link in the description. Click that link and I will show you step by step exactly how I use the top strategy to run my online business. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.